All right, so it's getting ready for a camp trip this weekend, so need to clean my chain. It's a bit dirty. So first you take this chain guard off, a couple of 8 mils. Alright, done. Alright, next, to clean it, just use some good old WD. It's safe on the O-rings in the chain. Not gonna hurt those. Just shake the can up. I like to shoot at this portion away from the bike so I'm not hitting the tire. You want to gonna get your brush. Toothbrush works fine. I'm gonna get the top side of the chain as well. Back side. Inside, I don't know, all the sides. Alright, so when you lube the chain, you basically just want to hit this portion and this portion. This will be chain lube. Smells fantastic. Shake her up. I kind of like to run the nozzle, you know, along that as I'm spraying and turning. Really easy on the trigger. Don't need a lot. A little dab will do. Oh shit. A little dab will do ya. Yeah, you are gonna make a mess when you do this, unfortunately. But that's okay. Not too shabby. Basically clean up my little mess here. Yeah, my bike's dirty. It's a dirt bike. Alright, final step is putting the chain guard back on. Now, dirt bikes, as far as chain tension, it's typically 3 fingers behind the chain guard, or the flare guard here, but as a dual sport, it's a little tighter, and they actually want you to check the chain while it's on the side stand. So, and the tension's fine, because I check it. I just did it recently too, so. Alright. Put these 8 millimeters back in. Just snug. Wipe off the excess. so it doesn't whip up all over my pants. Go ride. Alright, just like that. Chain is cleaned and lubed. Gonna head out, do some camping, moto camping. Gonna try and film it, so we'll see how that goes. So, yeah. Stay tuned for that. Until next time.